Air conditioner running but room not cold enough? Hearing unfamiliar sounds? There's probably a simple solution. The settings and features on your model may vary. Before getting started, make sure to remove all packaging materials along with any inserts placed in the side louvers. If just installed, allow the air conditioner to sit upright for 1 hour before operating. Does the air not feel cold enough? There are a few things to check to ensure things are running as they should. The inside temperature of the room must be above 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius. Ensure the temperature sensing element is not touching the cold coil located behind the air filter. If you just changed your mode and settings, wait 3 minutes for the compressor to start running again. If your air conditioner is running but ice is forming on the cooling coil, here are our top tips. The outdoor temperature may be below 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius. You can easily defrost the coil by putting the unit in fan-only mode. Your air filter may be dirty and it's time to clean. Or the temperature may be set too low for nighttime cooling. If your air conditioner is running but the room seems too warm, check the following. Your air filter may be dirty. The louvers may not be in the correct position for air distribution. Refer to your use and care manual to learn more about adjusting your vents or louvers. Ensure the front of the air conditioner is not blocked and restricting airflow. Hearing unfamiliar sounds? These are usually a part of normal operations. Sound of rushing air. That's air being moved by the fan. Gurgle or hissing. The refrigerant is passing through the evaporator. High-pitched chatter. Today's high-efficiency compressors may make a chatter sound during the cooling cycle. Pinging or swishing. That's water droplets hitting the condenser when running. Vibration. Check the installation using the installation instructions. Is your remote not responding? The remote has a range of 20 feet with a 120-degree radius of the front of the air conditioner. It may also be time to change the batteries. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.